So now it's time for me to show you how our new PL400EF specialty lift functions. So this is a completely foldable, portable patient lift. Fully functional for lifting a patient from the floor, bed, or chair. Electric lift, goes up and down with the remote, just like the other lifts in our product range. But the beauty of this product is we can completely fold this unit up, put it in the trunk of a car, store it under the bed, put it in a closet when we're not using it. So the way we fold it up is pretty simple. We first take the pin out of the top actuator area and put the actuator back in its storage location. We lower the boom down and place the spreader bar into the retainer at the bottom to secure it. Then we put the pin into the holes at the top to secure the actuator and the boom. Then lastly, we secure the upper portion of the lift, pull out the pin that's at the bottom, then we can tilt the entire unit down. Then insert the pin back into the bottom, and we folded the lift. If we unlock the wheels, we can take the unit and roll it to a storage location towards the car or any place else we want to use the lift.